how to know if someone is online on Google Meet. So if you want to know if someone is online on Google Meet, then let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up your Google Meet application. After opening, you will see an option which will be on the bottom. You will have the new option. You need to tap on it. Allow the contacts. Now here you will have an option of create link or schedule or group call. So tap on create and the link has been created, right? Now you need to tap on join meeting. Once you tap on join, you'll be joined, right? But you can also change your mail address if you want to and then join. Now you will see your name at the top. You can tap on it, or it will also say you that you are the only one here. So from here you can see if someone is online or not. You need to pay attention to the green dot. But in my case, I've not added any participants yet. But even if you've added, and if you are on a group call and if you've added your participants, and if they are on Google Meet, or if they've joined the meeting, then it will show you that they are online. But if not, you won't be able to see that if the person is online or not, if you don't see a green dot right beside their profile. So there's no direct way to know if someone is online on Google Meet, like on Facebook or on Instagram, but this is the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.